Percebes? Olha aquele ali. Aí é bem! Aí é brutal! Aí é coitado! Aí é coitado! Aí é bem! Grande molha! Aí é bem!
Ô filha da puta!
Wait a minute. That's the money shot. That's the money.
Oh my god! Woo!
The car over there, our car.
Okay, it's okay. It's
Look
okay.
at the car, it's been smashed
Yes,
against the
it's
side.
okay, it's okay,
Please,
it's
can we
okay,
go?
it's okay.
Please, can we
It's
go?
relax.
Of 45 miles per hour at Gary. So even though both of our airports seeing wind gusts in the 20 mile per hour.
Oh!
That is not good.
That guy.
So he was hooked into the water. Oh,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Look at
Okay,
he
there
is
he
right at
He's
the
trying-
edge there.
He's getting his.
There's his
He is
bike.
right at the edge. You know, and we're obviously at the point now.
You know,
We're at the point now. This really needs to be shut down.
yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, at this point,
I mean,
we've seen several people knocked off their feet. That guy, I mean.
Hello, all you beautiful, beautiful people. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Show me some love by hitting that thumbs up button and subscribe. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below.